This ant doesn't know it yet, but it's already dead. Its body is still moving. Something else is driving. A few days ago, a single spore landed on its back. By the next morning, the fungus was inside it. By day 2, the ant left its colony, climbed up a stem, locked its jaws onto the underside of a leaf. And then, it stopped being an ant. A stalk burst from the back of its skull. And here's the part nobody tells you. The fungus did all of this on purpose. For years, scientists assumed the fungus invaded the brain. It doesn't. It wraps itself around the muscles. It fuses with them. It strangles the motor neurons that connect brain to body. So the ant's mind is still in there. It's just locked in the passenger seat, watching its own legs climb a stem it didn't choose. And it doesn't climb anywhere. The fungus drives the ant to an exact spot, about 25 centimeters off the forest floor, north-facing leaf, just before noon. Not because higher is better. Higher is drier. Higher kills the spores. 25 centimeters is the humidity sweet spot, and it sits directly above the colony's foraging trail. So when the stalk finally erupts and the spores drop, they don't blow away. They fall, straight down, onto every ant that walks underneath. It's not just killing one ant. It's setting a trap for the rest of them. And it's not just one species. There are roughly 600 kinds of cordyceps. Each one specializes in a different host: ants, spiders, caterpillars, beetles, cicadas. Every tropical forest on Earth has at least one of them. Quietly, constantly, hijacking. So here's the question everyone asks. Could it ever jump to us? Right now, no. Our body temperature cooks it. Our nervous system is too different. Cordyceps has spent millions of years learning one host. It can't just switch. But it gets weirder. Because humans are already eating it. On purpose. For $35 a bottle. The same fungus, same genus, sold at Whole Foods as a wellness supplement. Real studies show the compounds inside it do nudge energy and endurance for reasons that have nothing to do with what it does to ants. It just happens to be a molecule our cells respond to. So we took a brain-hijacking parasite and put it in a capsule. Here's what's worth sitting with. Cordyceps isn't evil. It's not even cruel. It's a regulator. When one ant species starts to dominate a forest, Cordyceps shows up and thins the population. The whole ecosystem stays in balance because of this fungus. Roughly 40% of every animal species on Earth is parasitized by something. Mind control is just one strategy. There are thousands of others. Parasites aren't an exception in nature. They're how nature keeps itself from running away with itself. Which raises an uncomfortable thought. Right now, the species running away with itself is us. 8 billion, reshaping every coastline, every forest, every climate. If a cordyceps ever did evolve to handle our body heat, and given what we're doing to the planet's temperature, that's not as fictional as it used to be, it wouldn't be evil either. It would just be doing what Cordyceps has always done. Showing up when something's grown too large and pulling it back into balance. Somewhere right now, in a forest you'll never visit, an ant is climbing a stem it didn't choose. It's reaching the exact height the fungus wants. A stalk is forming, and the rest of the colony is walking underneath, completely unaware that the trap is already set. The fungus has been doing this for 50 million years. We've only been here for 200,000. Next time, a parasite so good at hiding half the people watching this video might already have it. It doesn't grow a stalk out of your head, it just quietly rewires the part of you that decides what's risky. And it gets in through your cat.
Stay curious.